guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be trying on some wig units. The first one that I am going to work with is, do she got a name? She don't even got a name, y'all. She just number 15. 1B model clean cap wig. It's a protective style. Protective, not protected or not protection, but protective style. Okay, sis, we see you. And we're gonna call her Bonquisha. Okay, this is what she looks like out the package. She got a net on her. And here is her card. I will leave the link to where I purchased her in the description box below. But yeah, I purchased her with my own coin, sis, okay? This is what she looking like straight out the package. And I'm not getting any shedding. It is a full cap. She's got one big comb up here. She's got a small comb down there. She's got the elastic straps so that you can adjust her. And then she's got the wefts on the breathable cap, which I like because it's easier to get to your scalp if you need some itching or some oiling or whatever, you know, while you outside and you can't really take off the wig, but you want to get to it. So that's pretty cool. And then this nice little floral here thing here. But she is fitting right, sis. Okay, so I'm combing through as I'm putting her, and I'm still not getting any shedding. I don't have no shedding on my, but bitch, oh my goodness. Am I the only one seeing this? Did I just transform, bitch? Did I just mutate? Yeah, I have mutated, okay? Come through. Come through. Come through. I have mutated, okay? You know, and I can put her on and I can go. And I'm gonna leave the link to Bonquisha in the description box below. Let's move on to the next wig before I don't want to take this one off ever. Wig number 2 is the Cloud9 Swiss Lace wig. It's a wet lace hairline illusion lace wig. She is 100% premium fiber. And does she got a name? Let's see if she got a name. Oh, her name is Camille. Okay, so we got Bonquisha, then we got Camille. That is obviously not the color that I bought. I bought the 1B. So here is she in her hairnet glory. We just gonna take that off. Here she is. So here is the lace. Here is the inside where you see the lace. So you get all that free parting space. And then again, she is a breathable cap construction where you can easily get to the scalp. She has a comb right here. She has adjustable straps. As I'm putting her on my skin tone, she doesn't really look that bad. Okay guys, so I did a little styling. I cut the lace. We are back with Camille. And I'm feeling Camille. Like, I didn't even put much powder on my parts, as you can see. And I'm gonna zoom in here so you can definitely see the lace. You can definitely see the lace, but with some good covering, and then probably put some more powder on. She really like blends in nice with my skin tone. I could wear her glueless because it fits nice and snug to my scalp, to my head. And I'm gonna give you guys the back version. I am feeling Camille. Camille gets a 9 in my book. She is totally popping. Our last and final unit is the Natural Me Janet collection. Now, I've been hearing a lot of great things about this collection, and so I had to try. When I seen Miss Naturally Mary, she slays. Okay, I was like, I got to be getting, I need one, and then you gonna get, I need one in a week. I got her in a 1. They were sold out of the 1B, and she doesn't have the full parting space like Camille did. She only has like this little line, which sucks. The Natural Me collection is the yaki texture, and it's supposed to mimic African American hair, well, African American natural hair really nicely. Here is her card. This is what she looks like on the mannequin. Here she is. These are some really beautiful curls, y'all. Really beautiful curls. And I also heard that the more you fluff her, the higher she gets, honey. So we gonna fluff, but we not gonna fluff like that. Here is her inside. This is the lace. Can y'all see that? They on the side of the part. And then she got one comb in the back with the 2 adjustable straps like the other units. She also comes with the breathable cap. No, y'all, we might have to fix him. This is Amani in all of her curly glory. Fresh out the pack. Okay. So, initial thoughts. I love the curls. They are so cute. They are light and fluffy. The hair is really light and fluffy. It's big already. Like, if I do anything else to it, it's gonna grow to a massive state. So, I don't know if I want that right away or at all. This hair feels like curled paper, like construction paper. I hate to say it, but like, I don't know. It's like really light and, you know, but it's cute though. It's cute. So let's fan the part, because I lost it, y'all. Did y'all see it? Where the part at? I don't even. Y'all see that part? Oh, okay. We found the part. So here's the part over here. So she's a sad part wig. We gonna work with her. Well, let's work with her, sis. Let's work with her. See this? I don't know what happened to this curl. It just, I don't know. Can we twist her back together or what? This curl look like, I have not combed through this hair at all. I have not combed through. I mean, I twisted it, so, okay. So you can twist the hair and the curl come back, probably. Let's just go on and style this wig, cause I'm just like, I mean, let's just style her. I like this wig. It is really nice. The things that I do not like about this wig is the fact that it is kind of paper feely, you know, the hair texture. I'm getting kind of Diana Ross vibes. I was thinking about, I saw one girl who had this unit and she actually separated the curls, and I was thinking about separating the curls, but then I thought about it, like this unit actually looks really big on me, so I kind of don't want it too fluffy and puffy, because I can't deal with that right now, especially with my 2-year-old pulling and tugging at hair. I don't want the hair, you know, too big. I do like this look. I did cut some of the bangs here, and if you hear, you know, ruckus in the background, that is my 2-year-old. I really feel it. I love it. I did put a little powder on my part. You guys can see that. And I am not wearing a wig cap. Again, it's not a bad unit. Usually synthetic wigs do itch my neck and I can't wear them. I don't know what that is, but it's very soft touching on my skin, so it doesn't itch me at all. I actually am starting to like this unit. It is light and fluffy, and I guess that is one of the perks, especially, you know, a girl like me, I sweat a lot, so I do need that kind of a breather. But I'm feeling this look and I'm feeling this unit. Initially, I was like, but after styling it, I was just like, okay, we can rock, sis. If you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have tried any of these wigs that I have shown you today in this video, definitely leave me a comment down below. I'd love to know what you guys thought of each of the individual wigs. Let me know if you guys like style 1, 2, or 3, and that will probably be the one that I wear in my next video. You guys have been awesome. I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.